back at it again. It's another one. We're having a maintenance day, and yeah, so we're gonna be doing maintenance. We're just gonna be checking, you know, brake oil levels, brake pads, you know, things like that, if it's rubbing or touching and whatnot. So this might be a fun one, this might be a boring one, I'm not really sure, but y'all just sit back, relax, and chill, because we got another one for you. Oh yeah, and Jay also got a flat. I guess we'll figure it out when Jay gets back.
Oh, hey, it's alive. What am I missing?
Your rear brake light.
Oh yeah, where the hell is that? It might be up there.
Yeah.
Where is it?
It is. This is it.
Look at that shit.
Found it.
There's more to that though. Where's the rest of that?
Rest of what?
That light.
Oh, this? No, it's not.
Yeah, there's...
You probably just need to retape this.
No, the plexiglass.
Oh, I thought plexiglass was on it. Holy Oh, it's right here.
Oh, okay. I don't even remember where it went. Where's my fender? I had a fender.
Yeah. Oh, it's right there.
Okay. Wow, how come there's so many parts off of this? I don't remember taking this much apart. This is why I want a 4-inch one.
That's what she said.
That way it'll cover the whole tire, and it will squish the whole top down. Please, Phil, make your spray. This is gonna hurt.
Now pull it to stop it. Oh.
It hurt.
I put it up like a pound or two and then run it while I take it off so that it doesn't lose any pressure.
Ah, smart thinking. I don't hear anything.
Try the back one, because that took like a grip.
I'm telling you, it's gonna hurt. I'm wondering if we get a beat it real high.
That's what I'm wondering. 55?
Yep. How much did you ever put in your tires?
I think like 53, 54.
Okay, so we've been up there before and nothing happened.
Yeah, my thing ran out of juice though. You're starting to slowly lose air, bro. You should probably grab your pump. It's charged?
Hopefully.
Yo, turn it on. No. Oh.
I got full.
Let's go. All right. Wait. Let me do this and then you do that one. All right, never mind.
I got it. Aren't they good? You hear anything?
No. It seems like we were able to get it to hang out at 58.5.
It's holding solid right now.
So we think it was just because his tire was laying flat and like the lip just got weird from sitting. He's just gonna make sure it has air in it. We're gonna make sure it's all warm and whatnot. Actually, yo, does that heater work?
No.
Oh, all right. Well, he's just gonna make sure it's warm and whatnot, and hopefully the tire settles nice in its spot there and doesn't leak any air.
Still 5.
It's definitely gonna have to come back for another day for this, because we gotta tune those brakes up, man. They're rattling a little bit. It's getting it's getting pretty cold quick out right now. So you know what? I think we're just gonna have to skip to like the next day, day 2. So, all right, guys, we're back. It's the next warm day, which unfortunately is like a month later, and these seem like they're holding good. And then as of now, the brakes are pretty solid. The brake pads aren't rubbing on mine or Jay's, and you can still see he got a little beef in there on his, and I got some on mine as well. So I mean, this seems like we're good for maintenance day, and we're just gonna, you know, ride these around and see if we hear any creaks or anything, and if we do, we'll bring them right back, tune it up, and that's that. But if not, we don't know.
adjust my brakes and that's it. Other than that, they feel good.
Yeah.
It feels really good.
Looks like that's gonna be maintenance day.
We got some coming.
I know this was a little bit quick. Y'all know the drill. Y'all stay easy. Y'all be easy. Yo, Jay, hit him with the piece.
Peace.
Let's go. I edit like literally 98% of the that you say out.
Yeah, it's probably a good idea.
Yeah.